In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subpage in OneNote. Subpages are a fantastic way to organize your notes, allowing you to keep related information neatly grouped under a main page. Before diving into the steps, make sure you have at least 2 pages in the same section. This is important because you need a main page to create a subpage. First, let's open OneNote. You will see a familiar interface with your sections and pages listed on the side. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Being comfortable with the interface helps streamline the process as we move forward. Once you have OneNote open, we can proceed to the next step with confidence. Next, locate the page you wish to turn into a subpage. Look closely at your page list, as this is where all your notes are organized. It's essential to choose the right page that you want to nest under another. This organization will help you find your notes more easily later on. With the right page in mind, we can take the next step. Now click and hold the Page tab of the selected page. This action is crucial because it allows you to manipulate the page's position within the list. As you hold the tab, you should see the page title becoming highlighted, indicating that it is ready to be moved. This visual feedback reassures you that you are on the right track. Next, drag the page slightly to the right. As you do this, pay attention to how the page title indents. This indentation signifies that you are successfully creating a subpage. It's a simple yet effective way to visually represent the hierarchy of your notes. Once the title is indented, you can release the mouse button to finalize the action. Congratulations! Your page is now a subpage of the page above it. This not only keeps your notes tidy, but also adds a layer of organization that can significantly improve your overall workflow. You will see that the subpage is now nested under its main page, allowing for easy access and reference. Now let's explore another method to create a subpage. First, ensure OneNote is open. This method offers an alternative for those who prefer using the right-click context menu. With OneNote running, locate the page you want to turn into a subpage once again. It's great to have options, as different methods can suit different working styles. Right-click on the selected page. This action will bring up a context menu with various options. It's important to know that right-clicking gives you quick access to several functionalities, making the process smoother. From the list that appears, look for the option that says Make Subpage. This is the shortcut you need to turn your page into a subpage effortlessly. After you select Make Subpage, you will see the same result as before. Your page now nests under its main page. This method is quick and efficient, and it's always good to have multiple ways to complete the same task. This flexibility allows you to work in a way that feels most comfortable to you. Next, let's discuss how to promote a subpage back to a main page if needed. You can do this by dragging the subpage to the left until it is no longer indented. This action restores its status as a main page. Alternatively, you can right-click the subpage and select Promote Subpage. Both methods are effective, and you can choose whichever feels right for you. Lastly, let's cover how to collapse or expand subpages. If a page has subpages, you will notice a chevron appears next to it. By clicking this chevron, you can easily collapse or expand the group of subpages. This feature is particularly useful for keeping your workspace tidy and organized. Remember, OneNote supports up to 2 levels of subpages, allowing you to create subpages beneath other subpages. This capability provides you with a robust organizational structure for your notes. With these steps, you are now equipped to create and manage subpages in OneNote effectively.